everybody, I'm here today to tell you about 5 ways to get paid more. If you want to make more money, if you want to get paid more often, if you want to get paid more in terms of a higher number, this is the video for you. These are 5 simple things that you can do to get paid more. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. I'll go over each of them briefly by explaining them. All right, without further ado, let's get right into it. The first way to get paid more is to ask for a raise. That's right, if you work for someone, ask for a raise. Even if you own your own business, ask one of your clients to pay you more. Ask for a raise. What you want to do is figure out why you should make more money and ask for that raise. Now here's the thing. If you don't, and I'm like sort of almost rubbing my head because I can't believe I have to say this, but I think I really do. If you don't actually deserve more money, you're probably not going to get a raise. So make sure that you work harder to get more money and ask for a raise. Now that's the downside that comes with getting a raise. Usually when you get a raise, what happens is you are expected, more is expected from you in terms of your work ethic. You're either gonna work more hours or you're gonna work harder during the hours that you are already at work. So asking for a raise also has a downside, but definitely it's an option to get paid more. The second way to get paid more is to apply for a promotion. Now if you're at work, climbing the corporate ladder, you are at this rung right now, you want to get to the next step, you can try to get a promotion, apply for promotion. But like I said with a raise, you're definitely going to have more responsibility. Whenever you get paid more in a work environment, usually it comes with more responsibility. Almost certainly it comes with more responsibility, more hours, more work, or more something. So with that being said, when you try to get a promotion, when you ask for promotion, you might get promoted to a manager position or a supervisor position, or a CEO position or something, but just remember that it comes with more work. It goes hand in hand with more work, but it is indefinitely a way to get paid more. The third way to get paid more is to increase your rates. Now, I kind of already spoke about this, but if you own your own business, just increase your rates, okay? What it comes down to is this. If you are charging someone $100 a month for this specific service, and you really think you need about $120 or $140, increase it. If you lose them, go find another client. You deserve to get paid what you deserve to get paid. It's as simple as that. Don't underpay yourself. Let's say you're doing social media management for a company. They've been paying you $1,000 a month for the last 5 years. And you've grown their account to be much bigger. You got to respond to more comments. You got to post more often and so forth. And you need more than $1,000 a month to actually maintain your work ethic and make it worth your while. Increase your rates, okay? There's no need to worry about getting anyone angry, especially if you're in business. Getting someone angry is kind of the norm. It's inevitable. It's going to happen. If you want to get what you want in life, some people are going to have to get angry. So just increase your rates if you need to. The fourth way to get paid more is to get more clients. Now, if you don't want to increase your rates, or if you can't, get more clients. If you are currently serving 10 people at $100 a month right now, let's say you have a landscaping company and you mow lawns, right? So let's say specifically your specialty is mowing people's lawns, and you're charging them $100 a month to mow their lawn once a week, let's say, and you have 10 clients right now. That's $1,000 a month. Very simple. If you get 10 more clients, you're at $2,000 a month. You get 10 more clients, $3,000 a month. That's how you scale a business. You continue getting more clients, hiring more employees to help you out, and that's how you scale a business. That's how you actually get paid more. Now, like I said, there's more responsibility and more work with more clients, but you will indeed get paid more. Last but not least, this is my favorite option. You probably know what I'm going to say before I say it if you actually watch my videos. The fifth one is to start a side hustle. That's right. If you work full-time and you're making $100,000 a year at your full-time job, I'm going to get closer to the camera for this, you can make $500,000 a year from your side hustle. You can make way more money at your side hustle than you can at most full-time jobs. But it will take 3 to 5 years to build it up to even be matching your full-time job, and then to actually accelerate past it, it's going to take a few more years. But if you're willing to devote 3 to 7 years, you can probably earn well over $500,000 a year from a website, from a YouTube channel, from a social media account, from multiple social media accounts, whatever the case is. You just have to put forth the effort. And that's basically it. Those are 5 ways to get paid more. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.